Pinterest seems to be the ultimate place for any kind of inspiration, and I always find myself saving these very aesthetic looking rooms and watching house tours. So, this was definitely the place to start. Although my room can never be as aesthetic as these pictures, it is very good to draw inspiration. So, my room was very compact, so I didn't really like the idea of putting in a whole cupboard. So, the idea of clothing rack, which serves as a multi purpose aesthetics and also to put in my clothes, seems pretty good to start for. So the next step was doing the deals. So where my very inexpensive wardrobe, we ended up buying the fridge rather than renting because it seemed the most logical thing to do, and then figuring out the layout of the house because it was so compact and we wanted a very functional but beautiful house. So we spent some time looking at the rooms and figuring out things. A lot of broken things, did a lot of cleaning. Oh my god. There were a lot of first timers like fixing a broken regulator, changing tube lights, which we have never done before. And after all that planning, shifting, fixing a shit ton of things, and realizing the amount of work it takes to put together a house, we pulled off, if I must say, the best house two college girls can possibly have. So let us begin with the house tour. Hi, hello, welcome Shruti. Welcome to our sweet home. We live in Benson Town and we moved here on May 31st. It's quite an adventure, so let me just show you around. Hey guest. Very. So as we walk in, we have this beautiful sitting area. It used to be actually somewhere else, but we have recently changed our place. So it's this beautiful lounge, you can see. Me and Shruti enjoy very much to have a cup of tea, cup of coffee, chat after our classes. We have this coffee table, which is actually a box, tin box. And I really enjoy this space.
It's a reading nook.
Yeah, it's everything nook. It's our, I think, one of the favorite places in our house. And over here we have this bookshelf, which I'm very grateful to my parents who moved all the things I liked in my house from Chennai to Bangalore, and I think this wouldn't happen without them. So shout out to my parents.
Yes, shout out to auntie.
There's some knickknacks over here, her camera, what is this called?
Polaroid.
Yeah, some shells, and it's something we have collected over
Our
the
good
period.
luck in which we never saved money.
Yeah, this is supposed to be our money saver piggy bank, but
We never did.
hella no, never put any money in that. So over here we move on to our dining setup and stuff like that. We have a beautiful fridge, and I would like to show you some of the pictures we have over here. So I love this picture. This was on Shubhi's birthday, and I think it's very cute.
I think my favorite is this one.
This one?
Yes.
This one? Yeah. This is also very nice. I think it was Harshita's birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have some Shubhi's mother, one of her second pictures from that day, and some old pictures. Over here we just keep our bread, some of our fruits and tomato ketchup and stuff. I would also like to give you a sneak peek inside a fridge, which is very clean.
Yes.
And it has all the condiments on this side, and I think we work pretty well. I am the chef of the house, and Shubhi tells me what to eat and she helps me, and we enjoy beautiful meals all the time.
And parties.
Yeah, this is the dining table area. We have a candle, and some posters. This is Shubhi's area.
Yes.
This is
My
her
hood.
very beloved bookshelf. She has all her books. I would like her to explain her shelving. I really don't know what it is. What is over here, Shubhi? On the first shelf?
I've just put books according to non-fiction,
Uh-huh.
classics,
Uh-huh.
and Indian writers.
Yeah, so that's about it. And here are some beautiful postcards of Shubhi and her friends Harshita and Sneha.
Yes.
And she has turned all their beautiful memories into postcards, which I think is the sweetest idea. Oh,
This is me and Sneha.
it's such a cute picture.
You are correct.
And over here we just have some knickknacks, sort of like a thing.
Yeah, we just keep my bookmarks are there.
Yeah, a lot of bookmarks and
One chhata that Astha got me.
and I don't know why. And some bubbles when your life is sad. We just
Yeah.
blow some bubbles. I think it's important.
And that cute chhata also show.
Yeah, there's no sure. I gifted her on her birthday to protect her from the evil, to make her bulletproof of emotions. I think it's cute.
Yeah, it's very cute.
And
And our
moving
clock. Shout out to auntie again.
yes, our clock in which there are only my pictures because this has been brought from my home.
We thought we'll put our pictures, but we never did.
Yeah, we never did. And this is a cute little calendar over here.
That Harshita made.
Yes. Moving on over here. This was a shoe stand, but we used our creativity and used it as a small place to keep some of the extra books. A very vintage. You can say it's vintage actually.
It is vintage.
Yeah, a radio and our plant, our money plant, which we really love and care about it.
We have not named it yet. Yes.
Moving on, where do you want to go?
Your
Kitchen,
room.
my room.
Oh, we can go to the kitchen.
Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Where I spend almost like 65% of my time.
Yes.
Yeah. So I don't know. This is this entryway kind of a thing, and over here we have. It's a small, cute L-shaped kitchen. It's quite flexible, and we work, and we have a lot of counter space and everything. So we removed the cabinet doors from this because we wanted like a accessible place to showcase some of our
Cute
utensils
and
stuff.
mugs.
Yeah, we have some cute mugs like this, and some bowls. And what I really love is this piece over here, which is the tea and sugar. And I think Shubhi's gonna take the
This
tea.
was one of our first buy. for the
Yeah,
house.
yeah, actually. And I thought we'll give a pop of color. I don't know what
Yes.
sort of
No, it just
inspiration.
looked cute.
Yeah, it looked cute, and Shubhi has a beautiful cooler over here.
Yes, this is my chai cups.
Yeah, and we have some different type of chai. We have masala tea, which we got it from Sri
Sri
Lanka.
Lanka.
Sneha
Sneha
gifted. We have some Tulsi coffee tea when we are sick, so we use it, and just normal basic tea. Here is a very
Astha's coffee station.
yeah, it's an accessible unit. So here's my coffee station. My coffee over here and my French press, which is almost broken, but
Yeah.
it's close to my heart. Here we have our oil, our spoons and forks. Here we have all the masala that we need to cook any possible dish in this world. So I really like it. And here we keep our potatoes and onions and some achars and something. This cabinet is our snacks and dal cabinet. We have a lot of snacks, and what we've done to we've put them in baskets, so it sort of
It's easier.
easier to be together. Here we keep all our dals and everything.
Pasta.
And down there we just have some extra masalas. So that's about that. And this kitchen has quite a lot of storage, which I love. We put out some pots and pans over here. Thanks to my dad to
Shout out to Prem uncle. Prem bhaiya.
yeah. Kitchen stove, our chakla belan, our chopping board, some kitchen towels and extra stuff over there. And moving on this cabinet, which is our, what do you call this? Pantry sort of
Yeah,
cabinet.
pantry. Yeah.
So we have some of our homemade snacks over there. We have our dal and our atta and other things, some bakery stuff over here. So yeah, it's pretty cool, I
And
guess.
it's airy.
It's airy.
Very well lit.
Yeah, here we just keep some of our pots and pans and cleaning items. And what I love is that you have this beautiful view out there. There's a lot of light and you get really inspired in the morning. And in the evening, there's this beautiful sun rays that comes down. So it's amazing. Pretty basic sink. We also have 2 dustbins because we are environmental friendly people.
Yes.
So we put our waste in the black one and just normal paper waste.
Dry
over there.
waste, yeah.
Yeah. And we have this stool on top of which we have a water. We drink a lot of water and we have a lot of bottles. And there's some cool bottles. And Shruti has done some water painting on it.
Yes.
She got this love for like 2 days. Moving on
To the bedrooms.
to the bedrooms where we showcase our personality to our fullest. So I chose this bedroom because I really liked how the way it was. It's small, compact, but I think it really serves the purpose of the coziness that I was looking for. So come on in. So this is the bed. Quite a story to it. It was I think 1,000 bucks.
Yeah.
And we brought it up together, me and Shruti. And
All by us.
yeah, all by ourselves to the 2nd floor. This is a new addition. Would you like to guess for what it is, Shruti?
Pigeons.
Yeah. So we had this pigeon trauma experience. They were just trying
This
to get
week.
Yeah, this week. So we bought this net. Now it looks like a football place, but it serves the purpose, guys.
We can play football also here.
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Plus the view is really cute.
It is. It is really cute. This gives a lot of ventilation to the house. So my bed
And Asma likes to watch some northeastern girls dance on that chat.
Yeah, it's my entertainment when the net is not working. So my bed over here fits me pretty well, and I decorated it for you guys.
Yeah,
So
looks
I
very
have
cute.
my cute little stuffed toys, which I actually don't like hug them and sleep, but I like their presence on my bed. Here I have my side table, which has 2 of my diaries. So this black one is my bullet journal, and it has some of like my planning stuff. And the red one I like to show you is my recipe journal, in which I write all my recipes. So you can see a grocery list, salad recipes, snack recipes. So you can tell that I love
Productive
food.
Astha.
Yeah, and my iPad and my phone. And these lights we got from Pondicherry. Me and
From-
Shruti have them both.
Yeah.
Yeah, moving on over here. One cannot have too many bags. I love bags.
This is Astha's makeshift bag closet.
Yes, bag closet. All the bags serve different purpose. Personally, I love this one because it's cute and it fits everything. And over here, I have my open closet. Actually, I was going for the US theme of having a railing and all of those wooden hangers. That did not happen. So this closet has definitely taught me how to be a minimalist. I have all my clothes in this, my tops and my kurtis over here, my jeans over here, and all my outgoing tops over there. These are the bottom, so I never use them because I never go out. Because I love this house.
Yes.
Over here, I have this small tray in which I keep my jewelry items, some of my skincare, makeup wipes, stuff like that, some jackets over here, some sunglasses which I never wear because I have my original glasses, otherwise I'll be blind. Here I have my, what do you call this, pegboard?
Yes.
Yeah, I have some of my pictures, Bachman ki pictures, some quotes and everything, and some motivation things for 2020. I think it's really nice to have them out there laid out so you can see and feel inspired every day. And I wake up to this side of the bed, so I'm like, okay, yes, today I'm gonna do this. Another tray to keep all my cute little things, my perfume, my earrings, a mirror because sometimes,
You like to do your makeup there.
yeah, my makeup, I just check my pimples out. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. to
It's
have
kind
it.
of like a makeshift makeup station.
Yeah, a vanity sort of a thing.
Yeah.
So, and here is just my laptop and a few other things. And this chair is very beautifully neat right now, but I usually dump all my clothes that I wear. And underneath over here, I just have my laundry basket and one more box to keep my home clothes. And this is very good. I got it from Miniso for like 600 bucks. And some of my weights down there, do I never work out, but okay. Yeah. So that's my room. I'm pretty happy with what I decorated with. Actually, this room I've changed almost like 5 times. So this is the last change that I came into, and I was like really happy with it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the bed was like this. All these things were over here.
Yeah. The cupboard was here,
The cupboard was here.
and that was here.
Yeah. So it was all.
Yeah, it has gone through a lot of
Yeah,
changes.
it's gone through a lot of changes. So moving on.
To my room.
Yeah. Do you want to explain your room? Or
Yeah.
should I just?
Hi, go ahead. I'll keep on adding.
Yeah. This is Shrubi's room. It's a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
And
Since Astha took the smaller room because she wanted the window and the view, so I ended up with the bigger room, and I had the luxury of having a cupboard.
which
And-
she has done justice to.
Yeah.
She has put a lot of stuff over here.
Put a lot of stuff everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. This is her art gallery wall, I suppose.
Yeah, with all my pictures and
I'll
postcards.
explain some of your memories. over here. I would really like
So,
some of your favorites, maybe.
so yeah, my sister, her picture. This is some house party I had a couple years back. Ethnic day.
This is personally my favorite quote.
Yes,
I think-
I love this poster. I nicked it from a art shop or something.
This
And
is a cute little corner.
This is my
Cozy up.
reading nook.
Yeah, she reads here. I sit here. We listen to radio sometimes.
Yes,
Beautiful lights. Same lights from Pondicherry.
yes. And we sit here and watch Netflix.
It's a quite comfy bed, guys. And
Yeah, and like we fit comfortably.
Yeah, two people can sit here.
Yeah, when we have people over, we both sleep here, and the other person takes that bed.
This is our side table.
Yeah, which Astha graciously gave it to me since I wanted a bigger side table. It was hers originally, but then she gave it off.
This is a very cute picture of
Yeah.
her friends.
My friends got it for me on my birthday. This last year, 2019.
Yeah.
Correct.
And this is the current read.
Yes.
Keeps talking
Amazing
about
book,
this
guys. Go read it. Like I'm gonna post it.
And moving on to a bathroom. Small, compact, but works fine. So I'm just gonna show the entryway. This was the first mirror we bought, and we used it for like for a month or so. And this is just another thing where we keep all our stuff.
We're having a water crisis, but yeah, that's it. Okay, bro.
This mirror is where we both get ready. We do not push each other, guys. We have plenty of space for each other. And this was a good purchase. This was just $1,000.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy with it. And it's beautiful.
your dad has helped, got us this.
Yeah.
For cheap.
And just getting an overview of the house. So it's pretty cool. And we have this lovely mat Shrubi got us. Ties in the whole thing together. What I don't like about this house is the flooring.
Yes.
It's too much is going on, and we just couldn't. And
There
the
was
color
no
of the
help.
paint in our rooms, we hoped it would be something better. It would have given a very good look, but I think we've done justice to whatever we had.
We worked with whatever we could.
Yeah, we never went over budget. We just used all the items from home and the budget we had, and I think we turned it into a very nice, sweet little place. And I love this apartment. It will be a memory forever.
We can even show the outside if you want.
Yeah, we're gonna go outside. But yeah, and these curtains are also from my home.
Yeah,
And
these and this curtain.
lot of things from our
We
home.
open this door and we put the curtain so that the neighbors don't peep in.
Yeah, and it just acts as a sort of privacy. So it goes like this, and then we're just protected from the
Yes.
bad evil eyes, guys.
Puri nazar wale.
Let's go outside. Lot of sun. We're filming this at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but we have 2 pots here which do not currently have anything planted on them. We are gonna get it today, so that's there. And so this, we didn't have a balcony, but this sort of acts as a balcony. You can see the view over here. A lot of buildings, nice neighborhood, lot of dogs. Should be, I think, is blessed.
Yeah.
So that's there, and upstairs is a beautiful chart. beautiful. It serves the purpose. We sometimes do Saturday night dinners over here. We set up our place, and it's really nice. And we have a lot of space to hang our clothes. We have done actually 3 parties over here, a birthday and 2 house parties, and the view is just really nice and calming.
Yeah, the sunrises and sunsets are beautiful.
The 2 weeks when we shifted here, we used to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and
Work out here.
work out here. It was pretty nice. Did not continue, but yeah, it's nice.
But it's okay, we like to get back to it someday.
Someday.
This is the Tunky we keep on checking. 'Cause
Yeah, the water gets overheated.
yeah.
But it is what it is. And yeah, that's it for the
Any ending
Benson Town house.
remarks, Astha?
I don't know. I think I'm going to cry a lot when I shift out and pack all my stuff. And it is going to.
Which is going to be in like another 2-3 months.
I would also like to point out my vehicle, my personal vehicle. My
Yes, there it is.
Scooty.
Our
bike.
Lajvanti.
Yeah, her name is Rajwanti. She has gone through a lot. She has taken us on many adventures,
Late night adventures.
day adventures, a lot of problems. But she's just a part. So I guess this is it, guys. I hope you liked our sweet little corner. And it was a great year. Just 3 more months.
Yeah,
We-
first apartment was an amazing experience.
It was an amazing year. We learned a lot.
Grestan. Gresti Samalna.
Yeah, and we put so much of effort in this house, and it's always going to be, you know, when you talk about मेरे first apartment में पता मैंने ये किया था, मैंने ये change किया था, ये किया था, वो किया था. It's just
Correct.
that hustle bustle. I would never forget the first 2 weeks in this house, and it was an amazing experience. And I'm so happy to share with Shruti. Never could have asked for a greater I
Yeah,
say.
same here.
Happier roommate, companion than her. बहुत ही कुछ बोल दिया गाइस, मेरा ना मुंह दुख रहा है अब.
मेरे हाथ दुख रहे हैं. Okay, चलो, bye bye.
Signing off, bye.